Have you ever rubbed your cat's ear and heard a weird crinkly sound? Is that normal or something to worry about? Here's the truth. If your cat's ears make a soft crinkle sound when you rub them, it's usually just the cartilage and thin skin moving together, completely normal. But if you hear wet sounds, notice strong odor, see redness, or your cat keeps scratching, it could be an ear infection or mites. Check for dark wax, swelling, or pain signs. Healthy ears are clean, odorless, and noise-free except for dry skin movement. When in doubt, always ask your vet. Your cat's ears are super sensitive. Keep them healthy. Follow for more hidden cat health facts.